Do you remember who you were before the world told you who you should be? Now with COVID-19, the ground has really been shaken from under our feet. There is so much fear, uncertainty and challenges, and many of us feel completely lost. 6 years ago, I found myself in a situation where I lost everything that my life had been, with no hope for a future. I had a beautiful home in Sweden with my fiancé. I was graduating from uni, and I had just landed a perfect job. But suddenly, everything stopped. I was diagnosed with severe burnout, which meant my body no longer had energy to function, to think, to digest food, or even to stay awake for more than an hour. As a result, I lost my job, couldn't finish my degree. The relationship didn't survive, and I had to move out of our house. And when everything I had worked so hard to build just disappeared, I was just 24 years old and felt like life was over for me. My doctor made me go to therapy, which I didn't believe could help me. But it ended up changing my life. It made me realize that I had lived a life that was never right for me. I had followed the map for how to live a good life, a map designed for me by society. But that map had put me in a life direction that I was never meant to walk. And most of all, that nagging inner feeling of, is this really all there is to life? It became clear to me that it was mostly inner blocks that had kept me from creating that life to begin with. Inner blocks that I hadn't even been aware of. And overcoming them was actually not as difficult as I thought. I began to understand what kind of life I actually wanted and who I really was. Every one of us is unique and have our own unique life to live. We all deserve to feel great about ourselves and our lives, but most of us don't because we never learned how to. Our society doesn't encourage us to ask who we are and how we want to spend our time here. It's so easy to just grow up, tag along, and follow the script, no matter what the cost. I wanted to change that. I developed the program Changemaker to help people overcome the blocks that prevent them from discovering and living their own unique lives. Together with Envirotech, I wanted to share this experience with the community, especially now during COVID-19 that has impacted so many of us. Join me for a 90-minute online workshop where you learn how to recognize the blocks that stops you from believing that you can be more and do more. You will learn how to go beyond these blocks and discover the passion of living a life that truly is for you. After this workshop, you will already see yourself and your life in a different way. I believe you can truly make a change in this world when you are being you.